Hi, my name is Daniel De La Rosa. I'm a senior sales consultant here at BYD Global City. So today, papakita ko naman sa inyo ang Atto 3 full electric namin. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa loob ng BYD Atto 3. So as you can see, medyo light na ang kanyang interior. Siyempre, since BYD, we still have our rotating head unit. Rotate pa rin siya. Depende sa preference ng driver. Now, this one also has a cruise control. Meron siyang tinatawag nating Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Lahat sila wireless. Meron pa rin tayong wireless charging dito, syempre. And then we still have ports sa ilalim. Now, dito naman, meron tayong mga modes. Meron tayong Eco, Normal, and then Sport mode. Depende rin sa preference ng driver kung anong mas komportable siya. Now, this one also has a auto hold. Yun yung settings na kapag naka-seatbelt ka, once na nag-full stop ka, hindi na ulit gagalaw yung sasakyan. As long as aapakan mo na lang ulit yung accelerator. For the aircon vents, syempre, ang tawag namin dito is dumbbell vent. Now, ang controllers niya, syempre, nasa head unit pa rin. Same siya, meron tayong pang blowers, pang temperature. Now, makikita nyo, ang mga seats natin is leather pa rin. As you can see, meron siyang orange na touch, and then navy blue ang kanyang color for this seat. Now, for the rear passenger seats, syempre, as you can see, ganun pa rin. Meron tayong cup holders dito. Syempre, dalawa. Also, ang number one na mapapansin nyo is yung legroom. Now, being ako, 6 flat ako, ganyan ang seating arrangement dito. Now, pagdating naman sa height, sa legroom, sa ulo, makikita nyo, maluwag na maluwag. Ang number one feature din talaga ng BYD Atto 3 is meron tayong tinatawag na parang guitar. Also, kung matatanong nyo kung nasaan ang ating pang open ng door, kung ang una akalain yung speaker to, pero ito ang pang box nyo ng pinto. Dito naman tayo sa labas ng Atto 3 natin. So, as you can see, this one, ang color niya is gray. Ang tawag namin sa kanya is bolder gray. Now, for other options ng color, meron tayong one other color. Kung tawagin namin is ski white. So, as you can see, syempre, lahat ng lights ng BYD is naka-LED na. Syempre, mas tipid siya, mas okay, mas durable, mas tumatagal. And then, for the tires natin, sir, meron tayong tire size na 17-inch, tapos 215 by 60 yung tires niya. Now, since full electric to, wala na siyang charging, or meron siyang charging, sorry, pero wala na siyang gas. So, ang mga full electric natin is nasa harap na mga charging port nila. So, this one, meron tayong for AC charging. And then, this one is for DC, direct current. Now, direct current naman, yan yung mga charging stations na makikita nyo sa gasoline stations like Shell, meron na rin yung Uni-Oil, Petron. Yun naman ang charging time niya from 0 to 100, umaabot lang siya ng 30 to 45 minutes. For the brakes naman, as you can see, sa rear brakes natin for the BYD Atto 3 is naka-disc brakes na rin siya. And then syempre sa likod natin, LED lights pa rin. Syempre, and then you also have your logo of Atto 3 and then logo ng BYD. Now for the trunk, manual open siya. Since this one is a dynamic variant. So as you can see, medyo malalim ang kanyang trunk space. This one has a 1,340 liters of trunk space. If ever na gusto niyo naman siyang i-adjust, you have a 440 liters of trunk space. Same pa rin siya, 60 by 40. Pwede nating ibaba yung mga sandalan. Also, pwede natin itong tanggalin. If ever na may bag kayo na malaki. And then, pinupull lang dito, then pwedeng itupi yung ating sandalan. Now, dito naman sa ating engine bay kung tawagin, para sa amin, this one is motor bay. Now, this one, ito na yung main motors niya. Now, this one is front wheel drive. Ito yung nagpapatakbo sa kanya lahat. So, ang meron nito kapag one full charge siya, meron siyang 410 kilometers of range. Now, makikita nyo or magtatanong kayo bakit merong battery pa rin? Because this one is for the accessories, for starting the car and all. Pero yung main battery ng BYD is nasa ilalim siya, flat surface. For the motor warranty naman, sir, meron tayong 8 years or 60,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Same siya sa battery na 8 years or 160,000 kilometers. For the car, meron tayong 6 years or 150,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. So once again, my name is Daniel De La Rosa. I'm a senior sales consultant here at BYD Global City. If you want to make a reservation, you want to test drive, visit us here at BYD Global City. And then I also have my Facebook page, BYD by Daniel De La Rosa, BYD BGC by Daniel De La Rosa. My personal FB, Facebook is Daniel De La Rosa. Visit us now, guys.